You need to be louder.
We won!
It is currently Friday night, well, Saturday early morning, 12 o'clock, whatever. We are on our way to Aamby Valley City. Say hi, Rehaan.
Hello.
Lots of truck traffic, as you can very clearly see. And in the mirror, if you pay attention, spot a Porsche Boxster that will be mine this weekend. I am super excited to race it. And yeah, start of the valley run. Back again. Should be fun. Hope we get there and get some sleep. Until then.
We're at Aamby Valley and welcome to another vlog.
Day 1. Let's go.
We's racing in the 718 Boxster. And for the race, we don't know where we can keep a camera angle because we don't have a suction. There's a proper jugaad by the one and only Veer Sheth.
Never take a back.
So right now Veer will be racing. It's his race in the Porsche. And then tomorrow's category, in his category he'll be racing the Volkswagen Tiguan. Let's see how confident Veer is for the race. How do you feel?
What should I do?
Excited. Quite excited. This is my good luck charm apparently. It's a hat Giancarlo gave me. Let's see.
So Veer's first race is done. 2 more remaining for today. And then he has the other races tomorrow. Right now we're going back to the pit to see his timing. How was your first run?
Good. 12.8. Not bad.
Very good. Last year was the 343. That was faster. Now which category left?
Now this final run. This was practice run.
That was it. That was a practice round. Now the main category is there. Now it's the main race. We got 12.8 in the first race. The practice race. Let's see what his main score is. His main run's also done. Now we're back to go to see the timings of the car. 3? How much is Veer's?
12.9.
12.9.
His tires are 2.
So a word from our racer.
So finished 3 runs in the Porsche today. P2, P1 and P1 tentatively, but we don't know yet. We're waiting on a couple of the drivers to finish. So minimum I would say 3 trophies coming home. Hopefully.
3 trophies.
3 trophies.
And let's see Aamby for the bike and the Tiguan tomorrow.
That's true, yeah. Tiguan has its category in bike, but yeah, it could be a good weekend for us. Okay, so we are here at the Sundowner event at Aamby Valley Airstrip, doing the Valley Run. Whole gang's here now. And here we have Devansh, our latest.
Yo, what's up, boys? Yeah, I love this car.
Shaurya behind all these guys. Conversations going on. And yeah, absolute vibes here. Rehaan.
We're here with Veer. He won!
You need to be louder.
We won! I mean, he won!
Day 2. We're leaving right now for the car debriefing. It's only Veer and I. I'm taking this, Veer's taking the Tiguan. We've taken the roof down and now we proceed. There's Veer. And here am I exiting our house leaving our house from Aamby and going towards the Aamby airstrip. This car is a beast. It's a little underpowered, but what a beautiful car to drive. And well, I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but the exhaust, now it's a normal, otherwise on sports the exhaust sounds orgasmic. Right now we're at the supercar rally. That's the Porsche Veer is driving, we're the Tiguan. There's a Nurus, there's a M5, there's a M2, M3? Who comes with? M3, no, yeah. And then behind us is another M5, a TT, a Porsche 718 Boxster GTS, 2 Z4s, Audi RS5 and a Lamborghini Hurricane, I think.